And now we will just take all of moves from previous lessons and we will do it all together. So you just do juggling and then do first move, second, third, and continue to juggle. Like juggling and then pump, 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 pump. And again, juggling and then this move. And then again you do juggling and then pass from under the arm. And again juggling and tomahawk. And the next and the hardest step is you have to combine moves and do as less juggling as possible. So let's combine first two moves and we'll do it with no juggling between these moves. So you start to juggle and then pump, 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 and pump, 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 pump. See, we didn't do juggling between these moves. And this is what you have to learn. Then combine pass from under the arm and come out. This move you can also learn with two barrels first. Pass from under the arm, come out. You do juggling, you change grip, you do pass from under the arm, and you watch the next battle. You catch it like this and do tomahawk. Pump, pump. So you will do tomahawk and then catch this barrel this way to start to do pass from behind. And a little secret here. After tomahawk, you have to catch this barrel here. Not here, but a little bit here. So it will be easier for you to start to do pass from behind. So, pump, pump. It is important for you to do pass from behind after tomahawk with no pause, because you won't have time for a pause when you will do it with 3 buttons. So, and pump, pump, and again, pump, pump, and again, pump, pump. Each, and again, pump, pump, pump. So these 2 moves, learn it separate. First, second. And then do it with no pauses. Don't forget to watch the barrel you throw by tomahawk. Then combine 3 moves. Pass from the arm, tomahawk, pass from behind. And then do different combinations, just the way you like.